Hey guys, so doing something a little bit different today. I got the Honda Civic out. First time kind of seeing it. It's pretty trashed. 99 Honda Civic. So you got some real nice lug nuts on it. Just kidding, they look terrible. Interior's not too bad actually. Look at here. Got about 90,000 miles on it. Runs really good actually. But the body is just completely trashed. See here. Huge big dent. I mean, the door squeaks. It almost opens up. Yeah, that's pretty bad. But figured gonna do something pretty funny today. My friend actually sent me a little gift here. He sent me one of these in the mail. You guys know what this is? It's a little turbo whistle. Now, originally the plan was to try to stick it on there, on the Veloster, but just don't think that's going to happen. The exhaust pipe's a little bit too big on that, so I thought it'd be perfect to try to fit it on here. And if you look, that's going to be a tight fit. So I think it'll be pretty funny. We can set it up on here, make some turbo sounds. I don't know, we'll see what it does. Hopefully it'll be pretty funny, especially out of the Civic. So get to installing it. Shouldn't be too bad. Definitely a little bit easier than a turbo install, but I think it's just this nut. Get it in there, should be pretty good. So like I mentioned, this should be pretty easy to get in there. Just gonna kind of stick it in. Yeah, that's about it. Now this is, I think, a 1-inch pipe, and I think the diameter of that turbo whistle is about 1 inch, so it's really tight in there. I'll show you just in a sec. I think we just tighten down this nut and take a look right here. That is tight. I mean, you're gonna get some back pressure there, but hopefully we can get some good turbo whistle noises from there. Let's test it out. So yeah, as you guys can probably see, it is really, really loud. I'm guessing mainly because it basically fits up the whole diameter of the pipe. Ow. Yeah, and that thing is really hot right now. Just kind of bang it out here. So I don't know if I can really touch it. Try to pry it out. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, that thing is hot. Wouldn't advise doing this. Just kind of doing it for a little bit of a joke video. Yeah, that thing is really hot in there. Yeah, you can see that the diameter is just about the size of the whistle. And I try to rev it up a little bit, but you could just even tell the motor did not like it. It was sounding weird. A whole bunch of things didn't really feel right when driving the car with it. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I thought it was pretty funny. Just kind of throw it on there. So let me know. I mean, this is kind of a stupid car, so I'm down to do stupid things to it. I have a few things in mind. I do have a lift kit for it, and I think once it gets a little bit colder, gonna be slapping that on. That should be pretty fun. Maybe go a little off-road or something like that. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope it was pretty funny. Let me know what you guys think, and subscribe for more. Thanks.